Air.
Air is an invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth and is essential for all living things. It consists mainly of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, with small amounts of other gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor, and so on.
Properties of air.
The properties of air influence life on Earth. They help us understand weather, climate, and interaction with the environment.
Density.
Air density refers to the number of air molecules in a given volume. Denser air has more molecules packed closely together. Air density decreases with altitude because there are fewer molecules and increases with lower temperature. High altitude equals less dense air. Lower temperature equals more dense air.
Temperature.
Temperature measures the warmth or coldness of air. Warmer air is less dense and rises, while cooler air is denser and sinks downward. Temperature variations influences many weather phenomena, such as wind and precipitation.
Air pressure or atmospheric pressure.
The air particles move in all directions. As they move and collide, they exert a force on surfaces due to the weight of air in the atmosphere, known as air pressure. Air pressure is also known as atmospheric pressure and is measured using a barometer. Air pressure is expressed in units such as bars or millimeters of mercury. It helps us determine if the air pressure is high or low. When the atmospheric pressure is high, the weather is calm and clear. High-pressure systems often bring sunny skies and fair weather. Low pressure leads to the formation of clouds, rain, and storms.
Humidity.
Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor in the air. It affects air density and pressure. The sun heats up the water and changes it into water vapor. Warm air can hold more water vapor than cold air. Humidity influences evaporation, cloud formation, precipitation, and overall comfort levels for living beings. Humidity is measured using a device called hygrometer. High humidity levels indicate the possibility of rain, storms, or fog, while low humidity levels are often associated with dry and clear weather.